Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix board access issues in Monday.com. Many users face problems where they can't open boards, edit items, or see updates, even though they should have access. First, check your board type. Monday.com boards can be main, shareable, or private. Private boards are only visible to invited members, which is a common reason for access issues. Step 1. Review board members. Click on board members and make sure everyone who needs access is added. Missing members won't see or edit the board. Step 2. Check permissions. Board permissions control who can edit items, change columns, or delete data. Adjust permissions for team members or guests if needed. Step 3, verify workspace roles. Admins and members have different access levels. Some boards may be restricted based on your role. Step 4, look at integrations or automations. Sometimes linked boards or automations restrict access. Check that connected boards don't block visibility. Step 5, refresh and log in again. Temporary glitches may cause access errors. Logging out and back in can resolve these issues. Step 6, contact your admin. If access still doesn't work, the workspace admin can adjust permissions or troubleshoot further. They have full control over board settings. So yeah, fixing board access issues in Monday.com is about checking board type, members, permissions, workspace roles, integrations, and contacting admins. Follow these steps and everyone will have the right access. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.